This is my Lexus IS 250 and I honestly think that she's the most beautiful car in the world. Just to know, I had only 5 cars. I had Audi A8 of 1996 years production, Audi A4 of 2002 years production, Honda Fit of 2002, Honda Fit of 2004, and also Chevy Cruze that was really garbage of 2013. This is my last car I ever had, and she's really too loyal, she's really good, she's really good quality, and I love her. I'm looking now on the video and I'm in love with her. Let's speak about her pros and cons. Okay, voice testing and picture testing. Let's see how good it can be. Today I will speak about everything I want to say about this car. I'm already 1 year her owner, and really I have much to say. Hello! Okay, let's start with interior. It's really interesting here. Everyone are hating this place in this car, but tell you honestly, it's for me it's really luxury. It looks like something like aircraft inside. You have really many buttons here, and I'm too in love with this car to be objective here. Okay, first, when I was buying this car, I had some interests for me. Yes, first of all, I wanted the premium class car in a maximum cheap way, as every young man wants, and I had only $15,000. And yes, because of it, I had no chance to buy a new car, but I wanted to have a really good car with a good handling. I wanted to have a premium class car and also car with a good quality. So BMW, Mercedes, Audi, their quality is always under question because they are really breaking too much times, because BMW is a real trash, Audi is a real trash. I love Audi, but it's trash, it's breaking every fucking minute, even new Audis and new Mercedes too. So I wanted something with good quality and something beautiful, something premium. So I started searching in the Japanese line. That was Toyota, Lexus of course, and to be honest, she's awesome. She has really good quality, but when I'm driving this car, even in a good roads, here every time are some creaks, some voices and noises that should not be inside the premium class car. Someone will tell me that she's already 10 years old and because of it here are some cracks and noises of wheels, of motor inside too much, noises of something broken inside plastic. Someone will tell me that it's because she's old. Yes, but I had test drive of new Lexus ES 2023 and the same problem was there too. ES is one of the most premium cars that Lexus can afford and Lexus can sell, and to be honest, plastic voices were in the new car too. Now let's see how good she is. You can see she's really good while driving fast. If I want this car to be better in driving, in controlling herself, I can turn on here with this wheel, sport mode. Our speedometer becomes red and white, and after it our steering wheel becomes really better to control. She's moving like I want, she's doing everything I want in reality, and I think it's bravo to Lexus. Also, but I won't be speaking everything good about this car because she has big minuses. For example, first of all, when I was choosing for myself the premium class car, I saw that premium class should have a soft steering wheel, better steering wheel than, for example, Honda Fit. Which I had in the past years. To tell you honestly, Honda Fit of 2002 years production had softer steering wheel than this car. My wife's Hyundai Veloster of 2016 has better steering wheel than this car. It's like she's created like something sport. And first time when I was choosing ISs, I had two cars before it, two ISs. I saw that their steering wheel were broken because it is really hard to control this car. It is really hard to work with it. And to tell you honestly, I did not buy the past ISs. But after, when I saw this white beauty, I couldn't handle myself, and because of it I bought it in one day. So steering wheel here is not comfortable in a long roads, in city roads and city driving. It's hard, it's difficult to just drive this car. Yes, it's I think premium class car should have better steering wheel. Ideal feature of this car is this button, this small button that if you touch it here, the speedometer is going on another way, and everyone inside has really the wow effect. When someone is sitting with me when I'm doing it, everyone are speaking wow because no one thinks that it even can be possible in the cars. And to tell you honestly, even me, when I was choosing car for me, the past two ISs had no such type of speedometers, and I didn't know about this feature. I had already bought this car, and after our past owner were driving to one place to another, he told me about this feature, and I had also the wow effect, a big wow effect. For example, here are information about the wheel conditions, here is information about gear positions, which you want. This is really beautiful and good to drive with such interior. Also, after we have here compass, we can change music from here if car is connected to iPhone, for example, or to Android. But here is no CarPlay, no Android Play, and so on. I don't know how it's called for Android. And here are some messages, some alerts if you need, for example, airbag alerts, for example, an oil alert when it's needed to be changed, and also about the car, and many other alerts. I don't know if here is coming check, because this car has no even once the check inside, and really it's good. Now about the sizes. I'm 189 centimeters long and 116 kilos, and to tell you honestly, this car is really small for me, even in a rear sides, especially in a rear sides, and it's small for me even when I'm taking this pole video, because I need to be as much down as it's possible, because I was already yesterday taking first time videos here, and it was like it. When I'm sitting comfortable, you can't see the road here. So yes, I'm like it. And to tell you honestly, it's she's really small. She's too small for me, and in the future I think I really like Lexus IS, but I think I would not buy these cars in the future. I will buy something like Lexus LX, something better and so on, but after test drive, of course. I don't know how they behave, how good or bad they are in reality. We will have test drive of Lexus LX also in the future, but also I love Lexus Lexus LC, which is in my interest also in the future. Also, one feature of its car is that people can't see her on the roads. I'm not kidding. I have no problem with policemen here because they are not stopping me. No way, never are stopping me. I had only one experience of it while I'm driving this car. It's 1 year already, and when I had Audi A4 or Audi A8, they were stopping much more often than here. But it's also minus when you are driving this car. It's rarely if someone is looking at you and saying wow. But if you ask someone, look at this car, is she beautiful? Everyone are saying it's really beautiful, it's one of the most beautiful cars and so on. But while driving, while people are walking, no one are looking on her. Maybe because she's old, but the same problem has other Lexuses too. As I remember from childhood, I always loved Lexuses, but I could not see them on the roads. Let's see if this man looks now at us, but I think he will look at camera on my head. No, no one is interested in our Lexus. No way. Now about the driving experience. If you are not rich and if you had no experience with many cars, and especially with the premium class cars, first time after driving it you will have a really good emotions of it. You will start loving Lexus, you will start liking Lexus, because everything here is friendly for you. But she's not fast. We will have now test of from 0 to 100 and you will see she's not fast enough. In races, in street races, I am not winning much time. And if I'm winning, it's only because some other drivers have no courage to continue until we die. So yes. And of course, if I here it is, BMW is coming. Okay, hello dear, come on. Another BMW. Hello dear, here it is. I hope you can see her. Yes, she's coming. Oh. Oh my god, our camera just turned off because it's too heat. He's speaking, camera is speaking to us, and I won this battle. And if I'm lying, you will not have proofs of it. I won this battle with BMW, and it's rare for my car, really. So now let's speak about the speeds you have seen here. Now let's speak about the speed from 0 to 100, how fast she can be. I will now add here the video of yesterday tries. I had many tries of that, and you will see the reality. I think this Lexus IS has no such speed as her appearance is, and I think this is the biggest minus of this car. If Lexus, you are creating so good car, if you are creating so beautiful car, so aggressive car, so really awesome car, I think you would be better even in the speed than your competitors. Yes, and I think they have the availability of doing this. I believe in them. When I had test drive of new Lexus, the selling manager told me that Lexus is not about the speed, that Lexus is about the comfort, but it's not the most comfort car in the world. My Honda Fit was better in comfort. Really, I'm not kidding. My Honda Fit of 2002, older than that one, white one, was comfortable than this car. She's beautiful, she has good quality, but she's not fast enough. Now let's see from 0 to 100. 100.
Look at my gun, damn, it's heavy. And ready to blame until your fam already.